In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify and add a new product to your store. We'll walk through each step in detail to ensure you have a clear and thorough understanding. Let's get started. First things first, you need to access your Shopify store. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account to reach the home page of your store. Once you're in, on the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. From there, click on Products. This is your go-to section for managing everything related to the products you sell. It's a crucial hub for setting up and organizing your store's offerings. When you land on the Products page, the next step is to add a new product. Locate and click on the Add Product button, usually found at the top right corner. This will take you to the product creation page where you begin entering details about your new item. Starting with the product title, which is vital as it's one of the first things your customers will see, enter a clear and concise name that accurately represents the product. Just below the title, you'll see a space for the product description. This is your opportunity to be thorough and compelling, providing relevant information about the product's features, benefits, and specifications. A well-crafted description can significantly enhance the appeal of your product. Next, we'll look at the product's status. On the right side of the screen, click on Status. Here, you can select whether the product will be available immediately or if it's something you want to draft for later use. This flexibility allows you to control what's visible in your store at any given time. Now, let's talk about the publishing options. Decide when and where the product will be available on various sales channels. This is particularly helpful if you're planning a launch or a special promotion. The media section is next and involves adding images or videos of your product. Visual content is more important than you might think, as it helps potential buyers visualize what they're purchasing. High-quality images and engaging videos can be the difference between browsers and buyers. Moving on to the product organization. Here, you categorize your product, making it easier for customers to find. Use categories, product types, packs, and even vendors to keep everything organized. Now we come to pricing. Enter the price at which you want to sell your product and, if applicable, the compare at price to highlight discounts. Remember to consider your cost to ensure profitability. The inventory section is where you manage stock levels. It's crucial to keep this updated to avoid discrepancies that could lead to unhappy customers. For products that need to be shipped, click on Shipping to input details such as weight and dimensions. This information is key for calculating shipping costs and ensuring smooth delivery. Last but not least are the variants, perfect for products that come in multiple options like sizes or colors. Here you can add and manage each variant to give your customers a variety of choices. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on adding a product to your Shopify store. With these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your online business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.